welcome back to the channel, guys.
And welcome on new people.
Yeah,
What is
new people. If you are new around here, we are Borders and Beyond, and we are currently in the Wicklow Mountains somewhere.
Yeah, we don't know where the signal's dead, and we're at a waterfall. Looks cool.
So I found this waterfall on Google today.
On the Google.
And I just said, let's go up, because we're just always want to find new places here in Wicklow to explore. So we're in the middle of the Wicklow Mountains, up the Sally's Gap. We found a place called Glenmacnass Waterfall.
It looked cool.
So we're going to go have a look at it. The waterfall is so beautiful, but it's actually on private property, which is kind of sad.
Which means you can't go onto it.
You can't go onto it. But like, we'll just climb over the gate.
And then what happens when the person who owns the land sees the video and then we're like in big trouble?
Yeah, that's cool.
Gotta respect the signs.
But it's really beautiful, and it just shows what is here in the Wicklow Mountains, that you just keep driving and you'll end up finding something beautiful.
How are you getting back? How are you gonna get back?
I don't know, I didn't think that through. Pretty deep.
Swiper, no swiping!
I think I look great. No? No? Do I not look good? I got my brand new hiking boots on, see? Breaking them in. Hey, can we stop and say hello to my friends?
Sure.
Thanks. Hello, Mr. Sheepus. Hiya. How are you getting on? Not checked out Gabby Rogue on Spotify or YouTube or whatever else she's on. She's a great singer, great artist. This is one of her songs.
If you watch movie, it's his outro.
So we're just back from the waterfall, and it was a really nice evening to just drive through the Wicklow Mountains, wasn't it?
Really cool. It was it's a mad landscape. It's just different than like pretty much anywhere else. It's just like a valley basically you're in.
It's so beautiful.
And it's just a big waterfall in front of you. It's class.
Like you're just driving through the Sally Gap, and then all of a sudden you just turn a corner and you can just see it coming towards you. And just driving anywhere in the Wicklow Mountains, you're bound to be kind of in awe of the landscape around you. It's so beautiful.
Absolutely, yeah. It's class though.
Would definitely recommend a drive through the Wicklow Mountains if you are coming to Ireland for a visit. Also, we've just started using the fly in the nest LUTs on our videos, and they're really making a difference in the colour grading of it, aren't they? I think so anyway. So if you want to use them, you can buy them on their website. We'll leave it in the link below, and if you use the code BORDER, you can get a discount. So go have a look.
As always, like, subscribe, and the ding bell.
And we will see you in the next one.
Peace.
Bye.